Well, good morning YouTube. Haven't done a video for a wee while, so I have a bit of a mission this morning. It is about 6:30 a.m. NZ time, and I basically have to replace my timing chain adjuster, this one here, down under the obviously the timing cover. Timing cover is it's knackered, so a bit of a mission today. Draining the coolant. We'll whip off all the hot side, all the piping, all this, the coolant, water lines, you know, all the stuff that needs to come off, so that we can get this timing cover off and have a look inside. Yeah, so let's get to work. I'm not going to do any time lapse or anything because I just don't have my tripod, the right gear here, to be fair. And I might just put the old turbo back on, just for fun, really, because you know that does sounds. My kids are saying, "Oh, Dad, you should put that back on," and so we might do that as well. So, hey, thanks for looking in, and we'll get some other videos going, and we'll try and make this happen. But meanwhile, your coolant's still trickling out of there, which is really slow at the moment, probably because the thermostat's closed. I'm not sure. Anyway, we'll open up and get this rolling. Okay, so we got this far. Ripped the rocker cover off, ripped all the belts off. Yeah, slowly getting there, guys. Bit of a look over. I tell you what, it's looking really clean under the rocker cover here. I mean, the car's done just over 100,000 kilometers. Obviously, the original owner replaced this camshaft and the sprocket. I mean, you can see obviously that's old. This one looks really new. Even the camshaft itself looks new. But there doesn't seem to be too much wear on the cam lobes. Here. Otherwise, it appears to be looking okay. So next step, whip all this off. Obviously this is going to come off. Alternator is going to come down before we can actually get out these bolts. But, yeah, it's actually a simple job if you know how to do it sort of sequentially in order. It doesn't actually take that long. And I think, you know, the Barra motors have to be one of the most, I don't know, in my view, the simplest engines just to work on. I mean, they're just so easy, you know, when it comes to the 2JZ, the RBs. I mean, these hands down, in my opinion, are just so much easier to work on. And yeah, man, Ford just made it really simple for the average DIY guy. So here we go, the old TR51 mod turbo, still looking good, sounding great. But like I said, we'll probably swap her over and just put this stock one on for a little while until I can actually get it tuned properly. And I'm actually thinking of taking it down to a tuner in old Road to Vegas. There's a guy down there that I've heard some good reviews, good feedback, and yeah, so I think the original turbo of these are good for around about, I don't know, 320, 350, 360 kilowatts. You know, this turbo on the first run did 316 kilowatts at the wheels. That was on like 10 psi, if that. So yeah, let's see how this shit all goes, and I'm looking forward to getting this off and putting on the new timing chain adjuster. Right guys, we've got everything off. Basically we are ready to put on the new mechanical timing chain adjuster. And I'll just show you here. Well, that's where it, see it goes. Look, sorry about all the ugly stuff here, but man, I tell you, I've had this case off so many times, it's not funny. Yeah, we're going to replace all that too. But anyway, look, quick look over here. I actually had a timing chain adjuster fail. It's that thing there is jammed on. Oh, sorry, it's not that one. That's off my other car. Where's the other one? Got so many bits and pieces here. So many barra parts. It's awesome to have all these parts. But this one here has failed. It's literally jammed. Oh, there you go. It's sort of unjammed itself, but yeah. I mean, when it starts to do that, and it's done, I don't know. I like the original ones opposed to the aftermarket ones. You know, the genuine Ford parts, but this one here, it's actually failed. Here is the aftermarket one. I just don't like putting aftermarket stuff when it comes to, you know, heavy moving parts. But here is the mechanical timing chain adjuster, and I got this from Planet Parts online. The only thing is the thread on the block here. You actually have to tap in a new thread. Here's the bolt here. It goes in. It's actually a M8. M8 1.25 thread. So if you ever have to, you know, re-tap, I know it's going to be a interesting little job here, but in the long run, yeah, it's not going to fail. So this is the whole idea of me getting this in on there, and hopefully we don't get any rattles. But this mechanical timing chain adjuster will allow me to just to rev out, really get up to, I don't know, past 7,000 RPM if I need to. Not really need to, but anyway, we're going to chuck it on. Okay, so I know she's a bit of a shambles, but trying to tap this hole here. I used actually a 7mm drill. This is an M8 thread, 1.25 thread, M8 size. But yeah, trying to tap this thing here, and I've got the thread going really nice. Just to give you guys a little bit of a demo, getting that that tap working really well, and yeah, it seems to be going all right. Oh, that's just a little bit there, a slippage, but other than that, she's going primo. So there we have it, a little bit of a demo. We just pull that off, get this out there, and grab our bolt that's going in here. There we go, too easy. There she goes. Ready to put on our mechanical adjuster, our chain adjuster. Alrighty, we are all back together. What a mission! From 6:30 to, I don't know what the time is now, 5 o'clock. It's like a full day. But yeah, you'll see in the video that I had all this ripped off. Obviously this is the the original turbo that I put back on, and it's look how tiny it is. Man, it's so small. Little dose pipe here, so that should sound pretty good. Anyway, we're just about ready to take it for a test drive, and I'll chuck it on. Just been recording from my phone, but I think I'll record from my GoPro when I take it for a drive, which will be real soon. And yeah, we'll see how it goes, and hopefully there's no more noise up top with that mechanical timing chain adjuster. Awesome little gadget. I mean, like I said, I bought it from Planet Parts online, and yeah, I seem to get some really good deals from that guy. Adam, I think his name is, from Melbourne. You know, there's a Keys Borough. Anyways, we're going to take her for a bit of a blat, and we'll see how she goes. Okay, we've got all the bits done. Adjuster on there, so I end up putting back the GT3576 on there, so it's here. Pretty stoked with it. I'm just taking it for a little bit of a blat around the block.